Are you ready? Let's build some amazing strength, balance, continue to build discipline and consistency in our 28-day rebounding challenge. In and out to start. Let's just get the body warm. We're gonna have some fun, build strength, endurance, balance for sure. Let's try to be as present as we possibly can with every movement. Just keep going in and out. I get very chatty when I move. Maybe you just want to throw some of your own music on. Just follow along. Do what works best for you. Slow down any session you need to, but try to stay moving for the whole 15 minutes. Okay, forward and back. It's moving dynamic ways as we continue just to explore the rebounder, get comfortable, use the bar whenever you need. And let's smile. This is a privilege, not a punishment. How fortunate are we to get to move our bodies? Let's go right into a jumping jack. And let's go. I've always loved the simple jumping jack. What a great exercise. And on the rebounder, it's just become that much more fun. We're just moving every cell in our body. Oh, rebounding is such a great way to aid in digestion. Things aren't working perfectly. Get on the rebounder. You'll be going in no time, if you know what I mean. There it is, endorphins engaged. That didn't take long. I hope the same for you. Just notice. Let me know. You in a better mood at the end of this session? If so, we've ticked the most important box. Okay, let's go for a little adventure around the world on our rebounder. Try to stay to the very furthest edges of the trampoline. Just really control. The idea is to just bring ultimate attention and control in your movements. See how close you can stay to the outside. And you'll have to catch yourself once in a while. So you really need to engage the core. Core stability is just the key to so much of our health, balance, avoid slips and falls. You just feel strong. Reduces lower back pain significantly. Okay, let's go around the world the opposite way. What an adventure. When you can look up every once in a while and get a feel for it, great. Clearly I have to look down as well just to see where I am. Ooh. Okay, and we got there. Nice and easy. Okay. Let's push ourselves just a little bit here. Sink down a bit into a tiny squat. And really go. Flat-footed. Feel your heels touching as well as the balls of your feet. Come on. Maybe a little quicker. Ooh, come on. You got this. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, nice and easy. Connect to your breath. Notice. Breathe deeply. When we focus on the breath, we recover so much more quickly. That was pretty good. I think we'll have to do that again today. Just nice recovery. I love a dynamic recovery. We're still moving, but slowing things down. Bring the legs out a bit. Okay. Now, we're going to go into a skater. So skater, right? We could just do it here like we would on the ground. And we just get a little bit less impact because we're on the rebounder. And gradually, bring a little bit more of a bounce into it. Find a flow. Just be curious. We're going to figure this out, how to get the most out of this tool. Ooh, you really engage the core. There we go. Get the arms involved. Yeah. There we go. Have you found the flow? You will, don't worry. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, all right, let's bounce. A semi-recovery. Find the middle of your rebounder. Really controlled bounces. Try to stay in as close to the exact same spot as you can. If you have to look down, look down. Rather, head up high, shoulders back, real integrity, and just be so present and notice, oh, you're staying in the same spot. Real controlled. So you got to get the core involved, really engage. How many times do I say engage the core? Just find that spot. Yeah? Okay. Now, let's just go side to side, feet close together, and get up a little higher. When we can be controlled and notice exactly where we are and feel that. So it's bringing that discipline and attention so that it ultimately gives us more freedom to move about the rebounder with more confidence because we know where we are. I feel confident. I can look at you and go side to side towards the edges a little bit more confidently, a little bit more. I'm still working here too. It's pretty liberating. Freedom through discipline. Love it. Side to side. Really get up there. Can I get out of the camera? One of these days, smash in my head. That will go viral. Dummy smashes his head during trampoline workout. Okay. Let's come back to the middle. Slow it down. Just a nice little recovery. Oh. Let's get right into it. Our arms are begging to work out today, I think. Thumbs up. Let's build some strength in our biceps. So we're building strength in biceps with the arms out. Nice cross here. And try to bring the real intention and controlled bounce in one spot. So something that can be seen as boring. Oh, I'm just jumping and bouncing the exact same spot. No. Think of it with awe. Wow. How close to the exact same spot can I jump? How present can I be with every movement? How intentional? Let's go. Get some extra air time. Wow. Feel how awesome that is. Whoa. Whoa. And let's go. Thumbs down. Triceps. Shoulders could be getting a little fatigued. Mine most definitely are. But come on, we can do this. And then bring that attention back into bouncing right in the same spot. Keep them up nice and high. Nice and high. Come on. Oh, and 3, 2, 1, and whoa, shake them out. Whoa. Bend the knees with this recovery. Nice bent knee. Whew. And just loosey-goosey with the arms. Oh, I can feel that. Sure as heck can. Okay. We're almost there today. Only 15 minutes. We got this. Let's take sort of our recovery still, but just in a nice, gentle twist. There we are. Swing the arms. Breathe. Are you ready to go hard again? Me too. All right. I said we'd do it again. Gentle knee bend. Feet flat. Use your arms. Come on. 30 seconds like this. Well, 15 like this, and then maybe a little bit quicker. You ready? Come on, let's pick up the pace. A little bit faster now. A little bit faster now. Come on. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And rest. That's nice. That's doable, right? Yeah, it is. Nice, simple, easy recovery. Let's get a little bit of air time. Let's just go flying for a bit. A couple bounces and then really lift off. Point the toes towards the rebounder when you come up. Pay attention. Real controlled moves. Stay in the same spot. Once you feel really stable, lift off. Do this as much as this is building strength, amazing core stability and balance. Do it because it's really fun to fly. Controlled, make sure, talking to myself to be present. Be so in this moment. Ultimate control over your body, your movements. Couple more. And yeah. Real in and out, arms and feet just to finish off. We're going to slow it down. I like that. That was good today. Keep showing up. Just stay consistent. Discipline will follow. You'll get to wherever you want to, I promise. Don't forget to comment. Job done. Share your progress. Inspire others. Let me know the moves that you like. Other things that you found to be Good on the rebounder. All feedback, positive and critical, is welcome. Shake it out. Oh. Don't fall off your rebounder. Thank you for being here. It matters that you keep showing up for yourself. I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.